Hey, what up, say?
Yeah, all my life I told them I would do this, now I done it. Even as a child they tell me that boy you're the Sunday. Now I seen them out, they ask me how the music coming. If I told them what I goes, I know they think it's so disgusting. Told them matter of fact, I said I'd rather not discuss it. Seem like every day I got another check that's coming. Training for a marathon, I'm building up the pace, but I ain't have to train for this shit. Always knew that I would run it. I came too far for a grown man to tell me how to get mine. How y'all still talking, I don't listen, I swear we never align. Y'all ain't never done it, still give advice, I don't take directions from the blind. Just stayed on my job, but yo unemployed, I told him go and apply.
Atvežė batuotas katinas kompiuteriuką, sako, reikia biškį pravalyti, pakeisti komponentą ir paruošti streamam, tai padarysim. Daiktas nemažas, reikia užtraukti. Greitai pravalom ir gražinam tada ant staliuko. Kompiuteriukas pravalytas, švarus. Galima dabar tokį pradėti liest ir sukeisim detalės. Turim pakeitimą iš 64 GB RAM po 16 stykų, keisim į 2 stykus po 32 GB RAM. Tai va, tuo dabar ir užsiimsim. Šitas išsiemam ir tada keisim vaizdo plokštę tuo pačiu, nes žmogus žaidžia 2K ir aukštom grafikom, tai jam 4070 Ti vaizdo plokštė jau kaip ir per silpna, dėsim 4090. Tai pradžiai išimsim senas detalės, kad būtų viskas patogu. Pasižiūrėsim, ar mum laidas toj pačioj vietoj lieka, ar reikės persivest per apačią. Pradžiai išsiardom ir tada sudėsim naujas detalės. Va, buvo juodi ramukai. Va, turėsim gražius baltus, kaip ir priklauso šitam
Tell them, here we go with this again. They don't wanna listen, I'ma bring it to them simple, unsolicited. That's just my conditioning. Couldn't get the pieces to...
Cam 7 Ti vis išimtas. Tai va, skirtumėlis va toks va, maždaug tarp vaizdo plokščių. Va tai va matosi skirtumą. Tarp Cam 7 Ti ir 4090 RX balto. Sena dalis išėmėm, sukrausim naujas.
Everyone was looking for the quickest way to eat. I was digging on my seeds, now I pick it from my trees. I don't have no fake ingredients, it's really what you see. Ready to mob, ready to be, standing outside in 100 degrees, yelling, open up.
Statom kaip visada, tvarkingai. Antras, ketvirtas slotas, jeigu motininė turi 4 slotus iš viso. Ryzen procesoriai šis dažniausiai neveikia su 4 įstatytais slotais, čia jau Intelio reikalai labiau. Ir viskas, galima pabandyti įjungti šitą aparatą.
Know enough, I pull up at the door and tell them, what's the resolution? Might need retribution. I'ma always bounce back like a Wilson evolution. Where's the execution? Need direct solutions. People look...
Gerai, ką, šaunam žvėrį. Kūrėsi. Vaizdelis visai neblogas. Tai dabar perėsim prie monitoriaus, atnaujinsim BIOSus, atnaujinsim driverius, pradėsim visus reikiamus sustatymus ir atiduosim katiniukui toliau žaist. Transitioną, žiūrėk. Jeigu jums reikia kompiuteriuko atnaujinimo detalių ar dar ko nors, kas susijęs su kompiuteriu, su periferija, žinot ką daryti, einat variantai LT, arba atvykstat į vietą pas mus Vilniuje, Basanavičiaus 20 ir išsirenka savo aparatą. Tokie va variančiukai vietą.
1, 2, 3, I know beats like ABC. Mine come up, they hate to see. I'm Maybelline till they believe. I came up to major leagues. Say you blind, but wait and see. It's so easy. 1, 2, 3, or ABC from A to Z. Back to raps, I won't miss. Heard the beat and I kissed. Sing a lot, but I switched. Yeah, bet you rappers so pissed. Now I'm high up with the stars. Yeah, I'm on the path up to Mars. Yeah, told me I wouldn't get far. Yeah, how you like all these boys?
Gerai, tai softas atnaujintas. Spalvos visos uždėtos, kaip katiniukui patinka, žalia balta, kas supranta, galit pas mus atvaryti kompą pasiimti ir žalia balta, ir raudona juoda.
I don't care what's next, I need it right now. And I got the numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out. Feel like Lewis Hamilton said, go and shut the lights out. Look, if I said it, you already know. They ain't never touching what I'm doing, told them let it go. I ain't with it ticky-tacks like I ain't playing X and O's. Go compare the numbers, said I think they missing decimals. Look, told them that I'm about to run it now. Too much money out of music, dog, now the bank account is never running out. Educated on the business, said when I'm talking to him, I can dumb it down.